If you've been dealing with thinning hair, lack of hair volume, or hair that just doesn't feel healthy as it used to, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Xcellerate35 and share some personal tips and tricks that I've learned over the years to get the best results. So here's your action plan. Do these right now before you put your phone down. First, take your before photo today. Good light, 3 angles, dated and saved. 2. Set a daily reminder to apply Xcellerate35 at the same time every day. 3. Set a fortnightly reminder every 2 weeks to take your progress photos. 4. Commit to 3 months. That's your real window. Stay consistent and trust the process and enjoy. The great thing about Xcellerate35 is that you don't need to wash your hair every time you use it. You can simply apply it straight to dry hair, but first just spritz a little water on to the scalp to slightly dampen it, and then work the Xcellerate35 in and you're done, you're good to go. However, if you really want to get the most out of it, applying the Xcellerate35 after a wash when your hair is naturally damp, just like how mine is right now, is going to give you the best absorption and the best results, and that is exactly what we want for you. So first, you get the Xcellerate35 and you apply it as close to the scalp as possible. Then once you've applied it, use your fingertips and massage the Xcellerate35 into your scalp. That's where the hair follicles are, and that is where you want the product to go so it can really get to work. You don't need a huge amount, just a small amount is great. The most important thing is consistency. Daily consistency drives the results.